Euro against US dollar this week has fell in value, and we can see the price has gone below 1.107 as support level and reached almost a demand zone around 1.09860. This was also mentioned inside the trader community about this move, where the price is heading. And then the price suddenly on a Thursday formed a strong bullish candle where the price has reached 1.1075, and on a Friday the price tried to move upwards, which means above this resistance level, but it has stopped and formed this bearish pin bar right here at the resistance level. A week looks like this. After the previous week has closed as a bullish candle body with a larger wick on the upper side, smaller on the downside, now it has reversed. We have a smaller bearish body with a smaller wick on the upper side and a larger wick on the lower side. A month is still on. We can see that we have more than 2 weeks until this month closes. Everything is still open. We need to see on the lower time frames how the price will behave and what are the support and the resistance levels. But we can see that the very important support is 1.098 and 1.1187, which means for the bulls, if they would like to continue and to verify this bullish breakout this month, should not go below this price level, below this support. If it stays like this will be a bullish confirmation, which is usually confirmation for the bulls to move higher. Now, will this scenario stay the same? We can see on the weekly time frame where we can see that the price should not go below 1.098 and it should go above 1.11871. Now we can see what is very important here on the daily time frame, and that means 1.1075 is important for the bulls to continue to rise in value. But the next resistance level where the price will stop is somewhere here, and also this one here, which I will also share with the details with the traders inside the community of traders. The link will be below in the description. So I will go to the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame to see how the price behaves around this level and when the price will make a bullish or bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which are very important support and the resistance levels between this daily, because you can see here the price is also stopping because of this small support, and for example this one and this one here because of the resistance. They are very important. When they are broken, the price will continue to rise in that direction. So for now we'll see what happens on a Monday because of this bearish pin bar, which is suggesting further decline down, but we can all see after this strong bullish movement the Monday will be a very important. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.